Hi, I'm Zhena, Mistress of Ceremonies and Tea Blender, founder, chief bottle washer, and all of that at clubmagichour.com. I'm going to show you our new matcha gift set today, and I'm very excited to also show you how to make a yummy matcha latte that has a twist to it. And you can use this over the holidays, you can use this anytime. When I was little, my grandpa was a member at the Elks Club. I don't know if any of you guys remember the Elks Club, or I know they still exist. And my grandfather would take me, and my mom would always order this drink called a grasshopper. And I always wanted it, but it had alcohol in it, so I couldn't have it. So I ended up with Shirley Temples. But now we get a caffeine jolt, a healthy L-Theanine caffeinated matcha latte that's like a grasshopper that has very little calories, like 60 calories. So it's gonna be amazing. I bet those grasshoppers were high in calories. All right, so this is our little shipper box. This is how the matcha gift set comes. And when you open this puppy up, you have this gorgeous violet glass matcha jar that holds an ounce, which is 30 servings, okay? You also get the bamboo scoop, which is the perfect measurement of a serving. And you know me, I always make it twice as strong. And then these are new. These are really exciting. I had fun designing this. This is a, ta-da, ta-da, a custom Magic Hour bamboo whisker for, not a whisker like whiskers, but like a whisker for your matcha, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to use all this and make a very festive drink that you can make at parties, and it'll make you popular, it'll make you new friends, I'm sure. And I'm gonna use this one because it's already been open. Okay, so my water is at 160. Remember, you never use boiling water with a matcha. I'm going to go like that. You can tell my jar is almost empty because I drink a lot of matcha. I'm like really passionate about matcha, as you guys know. Okay, I use 2 scoops because I like mine extra strong. Okay, so I'm gonna do something I have never done before today. And I had this idea last night before we were scheduling the shoot, and I ran down to the grocery store and I got the stuff to make it. So you're making this for the first time with me making it for the first time. So if I screw it up, I screw it up. Okay, so I'm gonna take my whisk, and I only put a tiny bit of water. I made like a concentrate, okay? So I'm gonna whisk that up, get all the little bubbles and bumps and clumps, all that stuff out. It's kind of like the cellulite of tea, right? So anyway, I'm gonna whisk that. And in tea ceremony, you would do this with great reverence, and normally I do. I'm not always a tea dork. I often am very thoughtful when it comes to my tea ceremony. See that gorgeous froth? That's always what you want to get if you're going to be whisking your matcha. The froth is where it's at. Kind of like the crema on an espresso, the froth on matcha is what you want to achieve. Okay. How beautiful is that? Okay, so if I used sugar in my life, I would use sugar right now, but I don't use sugar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my monk fruit. You can also use stevia. And I'm going to, you can get this online or at a local grocery store. I noticed that our health food store doesn't have this particular one, or didn't this time, but our mainstream grocery store did, our Vons did. So that was surprising, but so I'm gonna take 1 packet of monk fruit, and monk fruit is, it doesn't have any calories. It's 200 times sweeter than sugar. Oh, well, like 150, 200 times sweeter. It's totally keto friendly, right? And it is so yummy. For me, this is my favorite sweetener. It doesn't bother your blood sugar, nothing, so it's safe. Okay. Okay, so you let your sweetener actually melt into the matcha concentrate. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna do something now that is kind of fun. This was the big idea I had last night, because I was thinking, I really want a grasshopper. And then I would think, What's in a grasshopper? It was creme de menthe is what made it green. And that's a sugary liqueur. So you can go get, I'm sure you have pure vanilla extract at your local grocery store. This is the classic $3.99 McCormick's. And this is the super fancy big one, premium quality. This was like $16, but it seems like this will last a long time. And this is Morton and Bassett. So I'm actually going to use the everyday mainstream one. Because it's probably what you'll have most access to. And we are all about access. Maximum access to deliciousness. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this. Yeah, you can see the price difference, right? It's really in the size, right? A little tiny, okay. The good news is that this was $3, so it's totally achievable. So the matcha in this costs you about 80 cents, all right? So, and this costs you, I'd say this is gonna cost you about 25 cents to 30 cents. Vanilla extract in your matcha that has the monk fruit in it. Vanilla extract in your matcha. Did I say extract? Vanilla extract in your matcha. Mommy needs some matcha. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Oh, I'm gonna add a little peppermint. This is a peppermint extract that you can get at any grocery store as well or online. I'm gonna add a touch of peppermint. And this is like a peppermint oil. This is about a half a teaspoon, okay? Oh, I can tell this isn't gonna go all as well as I thought because the oil is separating from the water. At this point, I don't care. Okay, so that is delicious. God, I love peppermint. You could do this with our mantra mint tea as well. Okay, so then I'm going to take my unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened frothed almond milk. It's not so frothed anymore because I frothed it a while ago. Okay, that's about, I'd say 40 to 60 calories right here. So this is the first thing that has calories that I'm putting in this. 40 to 60 calories. And I can assure you this is gonna be sweet and yummy. And Mama's Grasshopper cocktail has nothing on this. We could take these to the Elks Club. Wonder how that would go over. Okay, so then I'm gonna take some fresh mint from my yard, and I was gonna muddle this, but I'm actually just gonna set it on the top. And then it sinks. You'll have to rethink this. You'll have to think through this more than me. Okay, so imagine walking around a holiday party with this. No hangover. You feel a little tea drunk from the L-Theanine and all the health benefits. Speeds your metabolism, detoxes the liver, helps you feel way more bright and cheery because the L-Theanine makes you feel a little tea drunk, but with no drunkenness. And 60 to 80 calories, and it costs you under $1.50. And it's mint. It's like a candy cane matcha latte. And it's delicious! Okay, that's the middle of the night inspiration. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God, John, it's happening. Here, you get one. Awesome. Sorry, Brianna, you'll get the next one. Here. Oh my God, that is so good. Can you come get it? Okay. So come on, no, be on screen. No screen.
I'm in here.
Yeah. Okay, so the gift set comes with the new gorgeous whisker, not a whisker, but a whisker. This is the bamboo scoop, that's the perfect measurement. 30 servings, this cute little box, and this is the recipe. This is it, and it matches my jacket, right? You can walk around your Christmas party or your holiday party with this. I could actually probably, I can't give up red wine for this, but close.
That thing is good.
Did you taste it?
Oh my God, yeah.
It is so good.
Is it bad to want like a big pile of whipped cream on top of that?
Oh, let's get whipped cream. And this is dairy whipped cream. It's non-GMO. Oh. It ran out of gas. And if 40 to 60 calories isn't enough calories for you, you can add yummy whipped cream on the top like I just did. And I'm not a vegan, this is dairy whipped cream. So good. No, for real. That is everything. It's everything. People probably think I'm lying because I'm so enthusiastic about every single one. But I mean, come on. Mint, vanilla, sweet with no sugar, creaminess. There is some dairy in here. And green tea. Do you know what? Enthusiasm is my superpower. And do you know what entheos, what it means? The source of it is to be filled with God. Isn't that rad?
Yeah.
So I played all-star softball my whole life, never actually played, but I was so enthusiastic I kept making all-stars again. It was because of my enthusiasm. I am filled with God, and tea is made by nature, so it's made by God. So this is the whole feedback loop of grace, right?
Maybe you should have been a cheerleader.
No, I got kicked off the cheerleading team.
We won't ask why.
No, it had nothing to do with boys. Amazing. Oh my God. All right, there you go. The matcha grasshopper latte. Yeah, that was good. That is so good.